Want to have wallpapers like this or this? Then stick till the end. In this video, I'm going to show you the best 5 wallpaper apps for your mobile phone, which will enhance your mobile look and experience free of cost. Let's get started. Fifth is this. This is very amazing app for wallpapers. You have got different categories. Here we have provided very high quality 4K wallpapers for your smartphone free of cost. It's a very simple but useful app. I like this wallpaper and see how cool it's looking on my phone. On the 4th position is the Doodle. Its UI is very clean. You can set colorful live wallpapers having auto dark mode and battery saver features. You can have wallpaper to animate as you move your phone or as you navigate on your home screen. There are many useful settings provided here which you can check out. So I applied this wallpaper using the Doodle app. See, it's moving as I tilt my phone and navigate on my screen. This app is having 100k plus downloads till now. If you are enjoying this video so far, smash that like button. Now let's see the next one. Third best wallpaper app is Wallx. This app has crossed 1 million downloads. As you open this app, your device name with its resolution will be shown. The specialty of this app is that it auto-adjusts all wallpapers for the best fit on your mobile phone. This means you can use this on any phone with any screen size without any problems or cutout issues. Select the best portion from a wallpaper using this app. Second on our list is 4K wallpaper. There are many amazing cool features in this app. You can set the auto wallpaper change feature on this. This means your mobile wallpaper will automatically get changed after a set time. Also, you can set edge lighting wallpaper. If you are confused about what this lightning wallpaper mean, this is it. Look how it's animating and changing colors automatically. You can have these cool effects with the wallpaper using this app. This app gives us the ability to set similar looking wallpapers for both the home and lock screen with just a single tap. This app has more than 1 million downloads so far. Before going further, subscribe to this channel to keep getting this type of amazing content. Now let's see the much awaited best wallpaper app on our list, Pixel 4D. It has downloads of more than 50 million. This is a must-have app for you. You can set 4D wallpapers like these on your mobile phone. These all are dynamic wallpapers, meaning they are not still and change when we rotate the phone. Another feature I liked in this app is that you can set different live wallpapers for both the lock screen and the home screen. This app is the most stunning of all. So I showed you the most amazing wallpaper apps for a mobile phone, which you can use to enhance its look to the next level. Links are in the description. All apps are safe, fully working and free. I have personally used them. If you have any queries related to this video, feel free to comment below. Now it's time for the previous video's question. If you hadn't watched it now by tapping the I button, or the video link is also given in the description. I hope all of you have watched it. So I asked you what was common in that list of 5 most popular social media platforms. The first common thing that I encountered is, apart from YouTube, which is from Google, all other shown platforms are of the same company, that is Meta. So we can easily say Meta is a social media giant. By the way, Meta was previously known as Facebook itself. Watch this video to know why they changed their name. Link is provided in the description and I button. The second common point between all these platforms shown is that all these companies are American. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give your views in the comment section. Also comment below any other wallpaper app that you like. I will love to know. Subscribe for more content. Thank you.